guys, what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have a different unboxing for you. I have a Fashom unboxing for you. If you're not familiar with Fashom, it's a $15 styling fee and they send you clothes. If you keep 3 items, you get 25% off. If you keep all the items, you get 30% off. So that's awesome. They send you 5 items. In the box, it says, "Hello, beautiful." You get this envelope, your bundle, and the return mailer to send anything back that you don't want. So let's look in and see what's next. So, here we go. So this is a little thing that tells you about Fashom. It says they donate $1 for every box to the Second Chance Rescue in New York City for dogs. That's awesome. And then you send everything back at the post office. That's where you drop it off. And then inside there you get your styling card. If you keep 3 or 4 pieces, you get 25% off, or if you keep all, you get 30. So that's a deal. The total for my box, I'll go over that with the prices at the end. And so let's get into the box. So in the box, let's see, I got my bundle. Okay, the first item we have is this pink top. It looks like it has some buttons down the front. That's really cute. It's very lightweight. It has adjustable straps, as you can see. And then you have your buttons in the front. So that is adorable. That's cute for summer. It's very lightweight. All right, the next item we have here is this black top. It's a lightweight, it feels like silk. And yeah, it has a pretty design. It's a V-neck, just a plain black silky top. Very nice. Okay, so the next item we have here is some just black jeans. They are white. They have some distressing in the front, nothing in the back. And these are some frayed hems. So these are cute. Actually, I really like these, so we'll try them on. And then next item we have is Article Society pink top. And that's super cute. It has a keyhole in the back, V-neck. And then looks at the bottom, there's a type of like stitching here along the bottom. That's cute. This is very flowy. Looks like it comes to a point, so that's pretty. And then the last but not least is this gray top. It's gray in the front, and then the back it's really cool. It has some crisscross, let's move this tag, crisscross designs. So you see that? And then it looks like it is like in the front, usually tops that cross in the back. So that's cute. So what I'm gonna do is try everything on for you. I'll keep the jeans on and then put all the different tops on, and we'll see what everything looks like. So stay tuned. Okay, so first is this pink top. I think that's extremely cute. It's super lightweight. I like it a lot. You can wear it in and tuck kind of out like this. Super cute. I mean, I have a steamer, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, I really like this top a lot. Really pretty. Very okay, pretty. Next to the jeans. They are just not a good fit, unfortunately. They're extremely tight. In the waist, they fit good, but everywhere else, they're very tight around the back and the legs. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to send these back, but they're really cute. Hey guys, so I'm back, and here is the black top. As you can see, there's a super cute design right here. I have it tucked in. I put my shorts back on, and you can untuck it, and it sits very nicely, actually. It's quite pretty, and it's very like soft and flowy. I like it tucked in. It'd be cute for work. Short sleeve, very nice. Okay, next is the Article Society top. The shirt comes to a point here, and it has like this double layer here. It's cute. Not bad. You can kind of see through it though if you look at it. And it kind of like tugs right back here. So I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Let me know. Okay, next is the gray top. And it's kind of tugging in the front. And then in the back is where everything's happening. So there's a crisscross on the top and then a cross at the back. So it's actually quite comfortable. I don't know if you can see it, but it's cute. It's not bad, but it's just really plain in the front and then everything is like happening in the back. So let me know what you guys think of this box. I'm gonna come back and let you guys know prices and what I decided to keep, if anything. Okay, so I'm back and I'm ready to go over the prices. So the first item is this gray top. Let's see what the description says. The gray top with the crisscross and everything on the back. So this is Desfino rayon jersey shirt short sleeve top, $33. So that's that. And that will be going back. Next is this Article Society top right here. Article Society tank top, $35. Next is this black top, which is super cute. I love black. Naked zebra short sleeve blouse, $38. The jeans, just black, distressed fray hem skinny crop jean, $52. And this was my favorite piece, this staccato top in a size small, super cute. I actually love this a lot. This one is $37. So total for my box is $195. And if I buy everything, it is 30% off and it's $58.50 off, which would bring it to $136.50, which that is a great top. I mean, that's super cute. Malls is my stylist, so hello, Kristen, it was a pleasure styling you. And then she goes in and talks about different items. So I really like the pink top. $37 is a little high, but I have to look back on the video. So let me know your comments down below and let me know what you think I should keep, what I shouldn't. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.